In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload images from an existing page to the Files tool in HubSpot. Here's the plan. We'll sign into HubSpot, grab the URL of the page that already has the images you want, then use the email editor's file manager to import every image from that page into your Files tool in one go. Start by opening your browser, head to HubSpot, and log into your account. Once you're in, move your mouse over the left sidebar and find the content area. From there, open Website Pages. This shows your site's pages in one place. Click the specific website page that contains the images you want to import. When the page opens in a new tab or preview, copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. Tip: make sure this is a publicly accessible page, ideally a published one, so HubSpot can crawl it and detect the images. Now, switch back to HubSpot and open the Email tool. Select an email you'd like to work on and click Edit to open the email editor. Inside the editor, drag an image module into the layout. This is just a quick way to open the file manager, which is where we'll do the bulk import. In the image module, click Select Image to bring up the file manager. Look for the Upload button at the bottom of the dialog and click the small drop-down arrow next to it. From the menu, choose Add from URL. You'll see a field where you can paste the page address you copied earlier. Paste the URL, then click Preview. Give HubSpot a moment to scan the page. It will automatically detect all the images it can find on that URL. If you don't see anything appear, double-check that the page is live, not blocked by a login, and that the URL is complete. When the images load, click. Select All so every detected asset is included. Finally, click Import Selected. HubSpot will pull those images from the page and save them into your Files tool. Once the import finishes, those images are now available to use across your portal, on website pages, landing pages, blogs, and emails. You can organize them afterward inside Files if you want to keep things tidy. That's it. You started by locating your page and copying its URL, then used the email editor's file manager to add images from a URL, previewed the detected assets, selected them all, and imported them in bulk. If you have more pages with assets you need, just repeat the same flow with each page's URL.